This, I believe you're doing well. What if I told you that a video of 1 minute, of 10 minutes can make you earn different dollars, different currencies, provided you understand what to do? I know most of you are going to say no, because most individuals have failed to earn money weekly, daily, monthly, not because they don't have good content, not because the algorithm is not favoring them, but because they just post one video of 1 minute or of 10 minutes and sit, relax, wait for another day. But the creators who have made it, they post this one video minute or 10-minute videos in 10 different ways. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a 1 minute video to give you a lot of money that you expect and post in different formats. This is what we're going to discuss today. Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas once again. But you guys, my subscribers and my top engagers, come near. Please come near. I love you so much. I cannot love you less. 2026 is here. The video is for educational purposes. These 10 ways of making millions of money in 1 minute video is just not confirmed. I'm giving you educational video. I'm giving you 10%. For you yourself, you have to look for yourself for 90%. 90% in a sense that I want you to get that smartphone, research on what I'm giving you. If you feel you can expand and do it, add 90% and do it. Yes, that's right. Now, without going very far, let me show you the way the 1 minute can give you millions of money in 10 different formats of content. The first one is your original video. This video you're watching, what I want you to do, I want you to structure it well. If it is 1 minute or it is 10 minutes, mine it will be 10 minutes. If it is 1 minute, make a short story, make a very good, talk about your story, talk about your lessons, talk about your solutions to the problem, and even go back to your core content and finish. Those are 10 minutes. 10 minutes, come and post it on YouTube. That is one form of content. You're going to earn from AdSense, you're going to earn from whether there are packs, you're going to earn from whichever content, whichever platform you're on, you're going to be monetized. Now the second one, this video is going to be short, precise, but very educative. I want you to hold on it, run, make sure that you can make research and make expansion of this video. The second one is to make short videos, the ones we can call shorts or reels. Shorts up to 3 minutes, reels, whatever. If you're on Facebook or you're on YouTube, you categorize it the way you want. Shorts are always vertical and you can do it up to 3 minutes on YouTube, but on Facebook you can do it the way you want, because with Facebook a video and a short are now one. So in this short, what you do, you remember you've gotten it from original video that is already earning. So in this one, you can post this one on Instagram shorts, you can post them on Facebook reels, you can post them on TikTok shorts, you can even go ahead and post them on YouTube shorts. This is one video, and this one video, boom, it means you've already posted it on one video, has made you post on 4 platforms. That one means it's more views and it's more money. Let's go to the third one, long form content. Long form content, remember we already did it. You can put it again on Facebook because you already put it on YouTube. This one, what you do, just put a powerful caption, there you go, and you post. Then let's now run and talk about text and image content. This is the fourth one. Text and image content this month, it has done a lot for me on Facebook than even long videos. How? What I do, I turn these videos you're seeing into text. I do great captions and I do posts. Yes. Sometimes I even go ahead and do quote images if you want. So one video can turn. Don't have any excuse and you're like, I have failed to make, I have no content. That same old content you have can make for you amount of money that you didn't expect. You can even go for audio and products. You can extract this audio and put it into podcast. You can turn this one into this one messages that I'm giving you into an ebook. I can even turn this one into a course. So everything you do here, now you have 1 minute video selling even when you're sleeping. You don't need even to be awake. So this is what we what I already emphasize on, that don't have an excuse that, you know what, I don't have time, I don't have content. No, the content is within you, but the only issue that you don't know how to do it. So what do? That's why we encourage, we have to learn, we have to relearn, and we have even to continue researching. And as I said, the disclaimer, this one is educational purposes. I give you 10%, you bring for yourself 90%. Now, if we do to recap, we said you can use one form of content into different types of formats, 5 to 10 formats. But now I've given you 5. I've given you long form videos, I've given you short form videos, that is reels, I've given you texts, I've given you photos, I've given you quotes, I've given you blogs, I've given you audios into podcasts, even I've given you can go ahead and make ebooks out of this. So here we are, boom, at the end of the day, we are going to earn enough money from 1 minute video or 10-minute video. So how was it? Please reach near. Let me say bye and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.